Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Hudson. I'm going to be reading the questions and your answer choices for you for this assignment. This name of this assignment is map terms. So going over or trying to remember the meaning of the words that we have talked about throughout this unit so far on maps. So the first thing you're going to do is type your first and last name. And I'll wait a few minutes for you to type your first and last name. Now, if you want to read the questions on your own, then go ahead and read those questions on your own and answer it by yourself. However, if you would like me to read the questions and the answer choices for you, please continue to watch the video. However, again, if you feel that you can independently do that, you can stop the video now and take your and do your assignment on your own. All right, so here we go. What is a symbol? A little picture that stands for something, a funny animal, or a cross? I'll read that again. What is a symbol? A little picture that stands for something, a funny animal, or a cross? The next one says, what is a map? Is it location, compass rose, a drawing that shows what a place looks like above? I'll read that one more time. What is a map? Location, compass rose, a drawing that shows what a place looks like above. The next question, what is a title? The name of the map, the person who owns the map, or the way to read a map? I'll read that again. What is a title? The name of the map, the person who owns the map, the way to read a map. And the last one, what is a map key? Shows directions, shows what the symbols on a map mean, shows the alphabet. I'll read that again. What is a map key? Shows directions, shows what the symbol on a map mean, or shows the alphabet. Once you've completed, please make sure to hit the submit button. Thank you, and return back to class.